Welcome to video 4 covering the topic Cycloid. We thank you for joining us, and at CAD with Mr. U, we aim to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online, and we thank you for joining us. We will start in the video that video. All right, so what we're gonna do now, this will be the cycloid, right? So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go to spline, fit, and let us go now. So we're gonna start here, there, 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 there. The top one is easy, is right there. So we'll go there, intersection of the arc, and 7 coming across, and we're coming down to 8. Coming across there, coming across there, this intersection there, and the endpoint there. Enter. All right. So what we're actually gonna do now, we're gonna put this is a cycloid, we're gonna put it on our outline so that it is dark, all right? Okay. All right, so there it is. That's our cycloid. Now let us label it cycloid. All right. So let us use this arrow here. There to there. We're gonna label this cycloid. All right, so that's a cycloid. All right, so good job if you got it. And let us center this so we can actually see the entire drawing better. All right. Here we have completed drawing the cycloid. What we want to do next, we want to draw the normal and tangent to the cycloid. All right, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna select a point on the cycloid, right? So to indicate the point, what I'll turn on ortho. I'm gonna draw a line coming down. We're gonna turn off snap for the time being, object snap, and we're gonna draw a line. Let us turn on ortho snap, and we'll get a line coming down there. Enter. This line, where this line intersect the curve, which is a cycloid at this point P. So let us label it. So point P is right here. So we're going to label point P right here. This is P. All right, so the first step is to mark an arc from point P to intersect the center line. The center line will be this line coming from the circle, okay? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go arc, start, center, end, where the line intersect let's turn on object snap, intersect there, We're going to mark an arc, the radius, which is 25. And see, we're going to mark it here. Where the arc intersects the center line, we're going to drop a perpendicular coming down from that point. All right. So this is how you drop a perpendicular. So you're going to go arc, start, center, and the center will be at this intersection. The radius will, would have to be greater than 25. So we'd have to choose something like 35, enter, and see there. All right. Where this arc intersects the baseline, which is this line, we're going to mark another arc from there, right? So let's do that. So where the arc intersects the baseline, we're going to label it so you can follow. So we're going to label it single line text. So we're going to label, we're going to turn off object snap. And we're going to label right here. We're going to put it 4 millimeters tall. We're going to label right here X and label this point Y. All right, so let's move the Y down a bit closer to the point. So we're going to move this point, enter. All right, what we're going to do is mark an arc from X, which is equal to the radius that we drew, which is what, 35. So we go arc, start, center, end. We're going to turn on object snap. So this radius is 35. Right? We're gonna go start, center, end. Gonna come from this intersection. The radius would be 35. Good. Where these two arcs intersect, that will be the intersection for the bisector coming down, right? What I'm gonna do, I'm actually going to put these lines on the construction layer and then turn it off so you can see that a little bit better, all right? That sounds cool. All right. So we're gonna put this line, which is a division of lines. We're gonna put all of this on a different layer so you can visualize what's happening, okay? All right, so we're gonna put the 6, this one, 5. All right, so we're gonna put these on the construction layer, and then we're gonna lock it. I'm gonna turn it off. See? So you can better visualize what's happening that I did a while ago. Okay? So this point, I'm gonna label it for you, okay? So I'm gonna label this point. Let's call it Z, single line text. The height, you're gonna make it what, 4? So this, let's call that U. All right, so this point where this arc intersect the center line, that will be U. All right. So the line drawn from U to the intersection there, that would give us the perpendicular from U. So this is how you would construct a perpendicular. Enter. We normally extend it a little bit beyond the arcs, all right? All right. So this point now, we're gonna label it single line. We're gonna turn off object snap. Turn off object snap. We're gonna go to single line text. Let's call this point Z. All right, so the distance from U to Z, that will be the radius for the circle. So we go center. The center is here at U, right here. So we're gonna turn on object snap to pick it up. Good. And then the radius would be at Z. Enter. All right. The next step now is to we have come to the end of part 4 of the series of videos covering the topic cycloid. In the next video, we'll be drawing the normal and tangent. We look forward to having you in that video. Bye. Thanks for watching the video. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.